Alright guys, so before the install and everything, I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you guys why I chose JB4 over everything, over every other tuner. For one, JB4 is constantly finding better ways to improve their JB4s. So constant software update, Bluetooth update. Now the JB4 that I got already came with the O2 sensors built in, so I didn't have to do anything of that myself. Just simply plug it in, plug and play. So reason is why. And also the reason why I chose it over a ECU tune is because one, I was told that it could void your warranty. Two, I have the control of what I want when I want in the palm of my phone, in my hand, like just my phone. My phone can simply change it. I can go from how much boost I want from map 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's also a custom tune, which is map 8, I think, or map 7 around there. Yeah, from my phone, you know. I can control what I want when I want. So, which is why I went for JB4. And like I said, they're always constantly looking at how to make it better. So, all right, let's get to the install. The JB4 comes with the OBD2. We're gonna run it. Gonna go under your car, and you see that little firewall? You can use a wire, right? Tape the end. You want to use this side first, so you can pull this out through. You're gonna have to remove these 3 right here. Brings it out, and I already ran the wire, and simply just pull. Now once you taped it, you pull till it comes out. It should look like this. Now that you have that run, you want to put it under the cover. Put the cover back. Now you could choose to put it through here and run it down here to make it look nice and pretty. All right, we're gonna hide the cable, and then we'll let you know where it goes. So we hit the cable and we ran it up under here. You can see it right there. And then just tucked it in behind here. Run it across here. Now, it's recommended to have your car off for 5 minutes. Lock your doors, open your hood, lock your doors, and then just wait 5 minutes for the computer to go to sleep before you start plugging in. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, and then I'll get back to the connection. All right, so now we ran the cable, and I put a 3M tape on the JB4. I'm gonna set it here, make sure it's nice and clean. I have a plastic that I never took off, so that's pretty clean. So now we're gonna place the JB4 right here, and it's recommended not to put it on it because the aluminum blocks the signal, or it gives it less signal. So I'm gonna put it here as well. Now, time to plug it in. First, we're gonna do this one goes here, and this one goes here. If you don't know which one goes where, the colors, these colors will be the same as here, but I don't want to cut mine, and I already know this one goes here. So you put this one, this one. this one. Here. This one here. And then we'll make it look less pretty in a little bit. Now we're gonna plug in the O2 sensors. These go to the O2 sensors. You're gonna use these. They come with it. So you're gonna take this off. You're gonna use this one. The brown one goes for the sensor, which will be this one right here. You're gonna pull this back, and you see that red wire? That's the one we're gonna be using. This little red wire right there. So I'm gonna make this connection first because it'll be a lot easier to do while. So the short one, the short cable goes here. The long one will go to the second O2 sensor, which we'll figure out right now. So what you want to do is you run this in here. Make sure it makes contact. All right, and then you twist. As tight as you can. Now, if you can't pull it out, then it's right. If you pull it out, then you did it wrong. Now we're gonna do the one down here. This little gap. Through the red. Right there. Like that. And then you fit this one in here. Like that. Twist, twist, twist. And that takes care of that way. Now we're gonna go to the second one. Action. Now the second one, I hit it through here all the way back there, so it looks nice and pretty. And we're gonna do the same thing. Brown goes to the red. We're gonna here. Make sure it does contact. All right, there it is. No. We're gonna. Right there, red wire. You can see. There. And just simply get this one in there. Twist, twist. And that's it. Alright, so it's done. This is what it should look like. You got this one here. And then you got the one with the brown one. It goes here. You got the short O2 here. This goes back really easy. right, which goes to the O2 sensor, and then you got the long one that runs all the way around. Right, make it look, try to make it look pretty. I brought it through here, here, to the second O2, which is the O2 sensor running down here, right there. You see red wire as well, goes back. Get that focus to the red wire. And that's it, just make it look nice and pretty. I just gonna get some zip ties. I didn't have any zip ties, so I could have this look pretty and not all messy, but it'll be basically here, and that's it. Make sure you subscribe and like, comment which other questions you have. I will be uploading the different maps and how it runs later on as well.